Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on TikTok. So if TikTok is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to make sure your internet connection is working properly and is stable. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then request the code again. Next, you need to make sure you enter the correct phone number or email address linked to your TikTok account. You should also check if TikTok needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for TikTok and tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, you should try reinstalling the TikTok app. For that, you need to press and hold the TikTok app icon and tap remove app and then tap on delete app. Then you can reinstall it again from the App Store. The next thing you can do is restart your phone. You can do that by press and holding the power button and the volume button together until the power sliders appear. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from TikTok's server. If their servers are down or under maintenance, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on TikTok. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.